Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away, there was a horrible white mouse who lived in the palace. Everyone hated him because he was mean and selfish. But the king didn't care. He was too busy being a good guy. One day, the king went out hunting and left the palace in charge of his best friend, a talking cat. The cat was very smart and handsome, and all the mice in the palace loved him. Except for the white mouse. He wanted to be king. So while the cat was away, he put poison in the cat's food. When the cat came back, he ate the food and immediately fell down dead. The white mouse became king, but not for long. You see, the king's daughter was in love with the cat. When she heard that he was dead, she cried a tearful goodbye and turned into a beautiful white dove. Then she flew away to find him. The white mouse was so happy to see her that he forgot all about being king. The two of them lived happily ever after in a kingdom far, far away. The end.